Hey, hello everyone. Welcome and yes, sorry and welcome to this wonderful session. And you know what might have happened, right? You know what I'm going to say. So yeah, technical glitches, but today it was different. It was not technical. It was very physical. So so yeah, we were running around the office with this nice vacuum chamber because there were a lot of problems. But you know, the good thing is the session is happening. You know, we wouldn't want to cancel this for the world, man. Come on, let's have fun now. We are here and welcome to this amazing session of vacuum chamber. You know, amazing science experiments using vacuum chamber. So good evening, good evening. What do we call it? Saikal, right? So, hey everyone, I can see all of you are here, and what do you think? What's going to happen? And aren't you missing someone? Hey, yes. Ankita and Aishwarya, I'm sorry, they ditched you. Yes. Oh, nice. You have vacuum chamber at laboratory, huh? Nice. All right, ma'am. All right. Acha, what would you do to bring ma'am on camera? You know, I'm lying. Okay, you know, people think I'm lying. Helium and twinkle twinkle. Yes. So you know what? Ma'am won't ditch you here. You know that. You know. All right. It took a little convincing, but yes, we are all here and we are here to have fun. And thank you for coming. So,
Yes, good evening everyone. Hey guys, good evening and welcome. We were this close of not joining the session, this close. But yeah, we are here. Yes. I heard laughing of Aishwarya ma'am.
laughing over Shri ma'am.
Oh, that was me.
Is it?
Both of us were laughing here.
Yeah. So guys, sir has called us with all this fancy equipment. We were like, okay, we have to see what's happening.
But yeah, today it's not just about physics, it's about biology as well. And we can see some people, you were saying, no? Your favorite subject is biology.
Yeah.
Come on, some cheers for biology.
Welcome everyone and yeah, we all are here but it took us a while because we were arranging this amazing things.
It's really heavy.
Yeah.
Really very heavy.
Now I know.
Right. And guys, of course, again, this is, as you can see, it's a dual stream on both channels. So there may be some questions which we may miss out on, and you know, because we're already seeing it like, you know, please call my name or do you remember me? We remember all of you, and yes, of course, just do remember if you're not answering, it's just because there's a lot of things happening, okay?
Yes, so we can see your chats.
Yes.
And I can see that you love biology. We feel good about it, but yeah, we're not able to take out the names.
Yes.
So
Let's get started.
let's begin. But how many of you know what this is and what actually happens in here? Although the name says much about this setup, you know how it works. And what is your expectation? What all we can do? Because you know, I know you are pretty exposed to the world. You know what all we can do. You have seen all those videos about vacuum chambers. I'm pretty sure, right? So tell us, how does it work? What is it? And how excited are you to see what we can do with this? At least on our channels, 9, 10th and 6, 7, 8. Yes, come on. Office tour. Someday.
Someday.
Yes, all right. Put a feather. They want you to put
Ooh, you are talking about a feather and a hammer experiment, right? So do you know David Scott, he went to moon and he dropped a feather and a hammer.
Okay.
So they both fell at the same time. So that's exactly what they're talking
Oh.
about. Remove all the air and drop a feather and some ball. They both will fall at the same time. I know what you're talking about.
Oh.
But today's agenda is, yeah, it's okay. That is also one thing we can do. But for that I have another one. This is a smaller one. In this, we'll talk about what happens to our bodies when we go higher. Can someone tell me, at least before we move and before we go into the fun bits, can someone tell me what happens, when you go to heights? Has anyone been to a hill station recently?
Me.
Where?
Just, I went to Ooty.
Oh, nice. I was also in.
We went at different times.
Oh, yes. So, lack of oxygen. This is a very good point.
Yes. Height pe, lack of oxygen.
Oh, Dhruvi's comment.
Oh, yes. Strict and quiet here. Beautiful
Really?
and loudest.
You're strict.
And smart and funny.
Nice.
Dhruvi, you can interchange a lot of things here and
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, so that point is pretty good.
Nose bleeding.
In 6, 7, 8, nose bleeding. In 9, 10, I can see low air pressure, oxygen level goes down.
Nausea, lightheaded.
Yes, nausea, lightheadedness. And all of you might, or not all of you, at least a lot of you might have sat in airplanes. And we all have experienced that one discomfort.
Oh.
Right at the time of takeoff, the moment the plane is just going upwards, just cruising towards the sky. Right? What have you experienced? I
Pains.
think they'll answer.
Yeah.
Before we answer, yes. They can see the chips packet. Very smart.
Can you see the chips packet? Is it?
We can. How can you see the chips packet? It's
Yeah.
hidden behind the balloons here.
But still, very good.
Right.
Pain in ears, right?
Very
Correct.
Good, very good.
9, 10, 9, 10, outer pressure increases, correct? That's true. But what do we experience? Nauseous and lightheadedness, yes, correct?
Yes.
Yes, 6, 7, 9, 10 people, are you tired?
Dhruvi is
Come
saying,
on!
Ashwin, I'm the favorite.
I can see lot of scrolling up and down in the 6, 7, 8 channel. 9, 10 थोड़ा सा ढीला लग रहा है आज.
Yeah.
All
Come
the
on,
things
everyone.
look
Puneet is giving a good answer there, right? Like more or less close by, I would say.
nice, yes.
Yes.
Lack of oxygen, correct?
But what do you feel in your body is, I think, what sir is hinting at. What do
Okay,
you feel in your body?
We played this game yesterday, no? So
Acting.
so the hint is we do this. Sometimes you yawn, sometimes you gulp, sometimes you do e.
Or like that. Like you extend
Yeah.
this part.
And yeah, it pains a lot. And you just keep on doing like this.
Nice, yes. Ears start to pain, right? You hear those I won't call it a popping sound, but
But we actually say it's a
Yeah,
pop
yeah,
sound.
It's a popping sound, huh?
Yeah. We actually say that
when
it's
I
a pop
imagined
sound.
it was like
That.
that sound, yes.
That's a popping sound.
Vibration in ears, correct, hai na?
Yes, yeah.
So, I'll tell you, see, on sea level, we have the atmospheric pressure, which we call as like 1000 pascals or let's say 760 mmHg, right? But when you go high, the pressure decreases. But planes are actually pressure stabilized. What if they were not? What if those planes were not pressure stabilized? And I can tell you the pressure goes down around, it's 760 on the sea level. There it's about 150 mmHg. So it's that
Oh.
different.
Yeah.
So let's see if we have balloons, right? We all have air inside us, right? So if you have a water bottle, you might have seen they all start to bulge up, right?
Yes.
So let's see. First of all, let's go with balloons.
Yes.
What do you say?
Okay.
फूटेगा कुछ ना कुछ, I feel.
हाँ, मतलब छोटा balloon ले पहले.
Yeah, we'll take this
We'll
one.
take smaller ones also.
हाँ.
We'll take.
Why doing all? No, we take small ones. This big balloon is very scary.
Let's keep 3, 4. No?
Do you think it'll? अच्छा, ठीक है. रख
So
ले.
let's see smaller ones also, so that
The team is telling us something. देख ज़्यादा मत रखना.
ज़्यादा
Yeah.
नहीं रखना ना?
हाँ.
इतना बहुत है.
हाँ. Green वाला actually दिख नहीं रहा है because it's no यहाँ पे दिख रहा है.
हाँ, we can see the
Yeah,
green one.
We can see.
Yeah.
We have the red one also. Green one will not keep.
This one. We can keep this. No, we'll keep this much only for now.
Chalo, for now,
Yeah.
we'll do again.
Huh.
Let's see. Can someone guess what will happen? And also explain why it
क्या-
will happen.
What is happening?
Yes.
Right. So let me explain you the setup first of all. This is what we call as a vacuum chamber. The name says it all, right? It's a closed, heavy glass, or I would say not exactly glass, a fiber-based chamber.
Yeah.
It's quite heavy, and it's all seal packed, right? So right now, if I have closed it, whatever air is inside, it is there. Now I have this pressure gauge, right? I don't know you can see it or not. So this goes till negative. It's on 0 right now. Do you want to see? It's on 0 right now.
Right.
It'll move this side, the negative side. And have a pump. So this is what we call as a pump. It will suck the air out of this vacuum chamber, right? So let's do it. Come on. Let's see what will happen. So I'll close this. I'll open this. And let's turn it on.
How do you, here, no?
Yeah.
Oh God, this feels a little scary.
Yeah, I hope that you can see, right? Yes.
Yeah. Yes, let's observe, guys. Let's see what's going to happen.
People who are waiting for burst, you can just say burst, burst.
Yeah, please, let's have in the chat box. Yes, now we
Notice the size.
of balloon increase.
Whoa. And you
For
can
the
see the
yellow
pressure
one.
gauge also. This is going down.
Yeah.
Can you see it? How much is it?
It's now
Cross
touching
finger.
300.
300.
Yeah.
Nice. So this is minus 300, by the way. Watch it, watch it.
Let's have increase the yellow
It's
one.
becoming bigger.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh.
It's just getting squeezed, these green and red one.
Is this going to pop?
Yes, it will. In a while. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just moving aside. Oh.
It got
Something.
so big.
Yes.
Now I think
Yes.
these will also become very big, right?
So let's see. It depends on.
Pressure.
Yeah.
Let's see. High pressure inside the balloon.
Correct.
Very good. OMG. No, no, no.
So this is right now minus 500. Right? Minus 500.
Why is that blue and red balloon not becoming big? It is becoming big.
It is. You know, these were the smaller ones.
They were very tiny, right? They're also mind blown. See there?
I'll stop. Okay, this is minus 500. I'll stop it here. Now, no air can go out and no air can come in. What do you think? When you go to heights, what can happen? Now let's look at this and let's anticipate what will happen to the body, right?
Right.
If airplanes were not pressure stabilized, what do you think will happen?
Yes. I am here. I just got scared and I left though.
Yes. So this is our normal background, right?
Someone was asking, studio tour,
Yeah.
office tour. This is the office tour.
Yes.
Chalo, tell me. What do you think will happen if the airplanes were not pressure stabilized? Nose bleeding. Yes, Aryan, I can see 6, 7, 8. Aryan says nose bleeding due to cell burst.
Yes.
Okay. I will not sit in the plane.
Sumit says nothing will happen. Wow, Sumit is a brave guy. Nerves will burst out.
Okay.
So, yes, okay, pressure, right, these guys have got it and they're giving small hints then and there, but yeah, there's going to be a difference in pressure, right?
Yes.
From what is within our body to what is on the outside. Am I right, sir?
Yeah. Actually, the reason I called both the ma'ams today is because that ear thing is something which, please enlighten us. That ear thing, because I usually felt maybe is the eardrum. Is it the eardrum that
Yeah, so actually in our ear, right, we have three parts. We have outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. And your middle ear has a part which is the eustachian tube that actually connects it one side to the ear and other to the nasopharynx region,
Yes,
right?
yeah,
This part that is there. So usually what happens is that tube is actually what helps in balancing the internal and external
Oh.
pressure. So it's constantly making sure that our body's pressure is maintained with respect to the environment. That's why you get the pop sound.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay.
Right.
Alright. And you know what? If I open it, you can see slowly these balloons are coming back to normal. Right?
Yes, yes. Sir, can we just try once again? वो बड़ा वाला balloon है sir.
Yeah.
Sure. Let's do it one more. we have a lot more interesting things. And can you try opening it? By the way, there is still very low pressure inside.
अभी कुछ होगा तो नहीं ना?
नहीं.
पक्का ना?
हाँ.
I feel like it's going to pop.
उसको उठ ही नहीं रहा है. It's really very heavy.
By the way, these are unlocked. है ना?
हाँ, yeah, these are
Oh, it's
unlocked.
because of the pressure. Oh.
Atmospheric pressure is putting so much force on this. I can even lift it with this. It will not open.
You can also come, Divyanshu. So in today's session, everyone will be meeting someone really very amazing person, right?
And very hard-working, we must say,
Yes.
right? So we have Divyanshu. He's part
Please
of
come,
the
please
team,
come, please
right?
come, please
You can come say hi to everyone
See,
here.
everyone just runs around.
So there's a lot of hard work that goes into all of these experiments. He's
Tina,
one
you
of
want
them.
to come?
So you know what? If I want to open it,
Oh, that's why we have Himani tailings, right? Release the pressure.
Very good. I
And
hope
now
that you can
it's
hear
open.
the sound.
you all heard that sound, no? That was the air going inside. All right. Shall we?
Yes.
Yes.
Pink balloon.
The pink one.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll take this out.
So,
We put this on.
so we are putting those balloons which we
Will
hope
definitely
will
pop.
definitely burst. Okay, now you know how to operate this.
Yeah. So can we do this?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my God, what if we do? Just check once.
And this one.
All right. So first we'll close this
Okay.
so that now no air can go inside, and this one will open so that the pump can suck from this side.
Okay. What about
Now-
the air we have here?
And now we have to just turn the pump on. Let's do it.
Yes.
Right.
Yay!
They're asking what would happen if you keep a helium balloon.
Ah.
Same thing. Correct. Suction cups work in a similar manner.
Okay, can we have a zoom in, please, Jessica? Thank you so much.
आसमा आपका मैसेज देखा, बिल्कुल देखा.
Yes.
Our fingers pop. There is a short on BYJU'S channel because we have those air bubbles, no?
Huh.
I think it was a shot from Pushpendu,
I think so. I don't
right? I just saw it. See, I just saw it. So
But you can check it out.
It's air in the joints, so that's why it pops.
Oh, like this. Cut, cut, cut.
Whoa.
Yes.
Which one do you think is going to pop first? The green or the pink one? Let us know. What do you guys think?
Green or pink? Which
Green
one
or
will
pink?
burst?
Okay. Oh, amazing. Yes. Pink, pink, pink. I think pink is in the demand now.
I think the green one will pop.
Same. I don't know. I think both will, but I think, yeah, it could be pink one. See, Ashwara?
Oh yeah.
Pink is in so much strain right now. In so much pressure.
Yes, yes. Too much from the front also. But green की भी हालत अच्छी है. Okay, let's count.
Right. We can
In
see
10 seconds, we should see the results, right? Or we should increase the pressure.
Let's see. It'll go till. Oh, green.
Green one.
Green one went.
green popped first.
It got so big.
Yeah. Now it has all the space to expand.
But will it actually like fill up the hole? This one, the
It,
chamber.
it can actually. The pressure here is going till minus 500. So the more minus it will go, the more the air inside the balloon will keep on expanding.
Okay.
Oh.
Nice.
Yes.
So
There's Muskan who has a doubt.
Yes. Please.
3, 2, 5. Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Too much pressure.
So now we can release this, no?
Yeah.
Like, huh. And this over here.
And this one. You can just open it here.
So we don't need to do
this. This is a small one. It's okay.
This takes me back to all those physics labs, you know.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
They are moving.
Can we do a zoom in here? Can you see them moving?
They are not. Now I think it's not possible.
So the balloon is tied, then how does air go into it?
So see, the balloon is tied. So when you blew the balloon, right? You blew the air, which was at the same pressure as the air around it, right? At sea level, I would say. Now, when you closed it, that air inside has a fixed amount, right? Now
In the balloon,
inside
right? In the balloon.
inside the balloon.
Huh.
Now outside, when all the air around the balloon goes away, the inside air now has more pressure. It's exerting more pressure on the balloon, and the balloon keeps on expanding until its skin is not able to sustain that much force, and then it pops. ठीक है?
Nice.
Put our hand. That is something your veins will pop.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
It's also because of the chemical property of the air, right? Because it's like loose particles that are there.
Yes.
So there's chemistry in this also, guys. So you have something wherein you have physics, chemistry, and on an application level we have the bio.
Bio, yes.
And this is something which we all might have seen, that when you went to Ooty, did you notice this? The water bottles, whatever we take, no, going up, they all.
Yeah.
And when you bring the water from Ooty to the Bangalore, it becomes like squeezed.
Yes.
This actually happens even in airplanes.
Airplanes,
Yes.
Yeah, it happens in airplanes, and I'll tell you this incident. So my friend, he had a bottle with him, and it was his own bottle, right? Normally they don't allow you to take water like that, but somehow he managed to sneak it in, and the bottle was there. There was very little water, like it was not filled up to the brim. There was just half a bottle filled, and mid-flight there was water leaking. And that was because of the pressure, and the bottle had like just gotten, you know, crumpled up like that. So that's actually something now that I can relate to.
Nice.
Wow, nice.
Okay. So that chips packet thing we can do, but you know what? Before that, I'm thinking to do.
Some more experiments.
Yes.
Yes, some more.
How many of you think there is air in ice cream?
Ice cream, so I always remember they are very tasty to eat. And I want to eat.
Let's eat then. So, ma'am, you are our guest. You demand. We'll give you ice cream. Come on.
We want ice cream.
Wait, I'll go get some ice cream.
So, Muskan, there is no hole in it. That's true. But when you keep the balloon inside, no, the air in the vacuum chamber, it goes away. And the only air inside the balloon, it inflates or makes the balloon big. And that's why it pops. Whoa.
And there's some if you guys want.
Nice.
I'm curious about chips.
Yeah, we are also.
Yeah, even us.
So let's see. I'll put.
Some more.
Yes.
Do you guys? They're asking why do you want?
Because we have to give it to you, know.
Oh.
You can taste it.
Yes.
Pakka na.
I'll go
Yeah.
keep the rest on.
It's good to have guests, no? If you call guests and don't give them something, you know, it's a good manners, I would say. चाय के लिए पूछते ना घर पे.
पूछते हैं. Ashwin, do you want to try?
I actually had a spoon there.
Oh.
I can see Ritika's coming up with the answer there.
Nice. And there was, I think, Anukriti was there. So whenever I take session, no, she's like, sir, whenever your session is there, I'm eating ice cream. You want to eat? But you know, ma'am ate a lot of ice cream.
Okay, give that. It's okay. I think this
Yeah,
much
yeah.
will do.
So what do you say? Shall we increase the ice cream? Shall we increase the ice cream? What do you say? And I wish, you know, we have all heard those stories, no? There was what the story was? It never empties.
Haan.
There
the
was some
pot
story,
which
right? What story was
has
that?
some blessings that the pot will never get empty, even if how many people will eat. There's a story.
Don't you
also.
wish there was some ice cream bowl that never empties? The moment you finish it, and then it can just refill itself
Yeah,
again,
refill it.
right?
Yes, I always wish that.
So let's see. Let's see how air pressure can help us get more ice cream.
Yeah. Oh, I will fix this part.
You got it, no?
Yes. Yeah. You have to keep it here.
And
Yes.
this,
And then you have
And this
to
one you have to
close it
tighten it.
and tighten it.
Nice. So let's see.
okay. We would request a close-up.
Can you please zoom in?
Yeah.
I want to see how much more ice cream I can get. Which flavor? It was butterscotch or vanilla?
Yeah, vanilla. I don't like butterscotch.
Hey, can you see? It's
Yeah. Yes, we can see it's increasing. I hope that you can also see.
I think we can get the background removed for this.
No, I think we should need the camera from the top.
Are you guys? Quantity is not going to change.
right now.
but
I think
air
it's
increases.
almost that we started with, right?
Yeah. Yes, they're able to see it increase.
Very good.
Rashmi, yes, I'll answer your question. While blood starts boiling in vacuum, or not just blood, it's water actually. So I would say water starts boiling in vacuum. Yeah. It's almost full, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost.
We never expect this, no? While eating ice cream, that so much air would be inside.
Yes. Now I'll think again.
There should be something like condensed ice cream
Yeah.
without
What are
air.
we doing?
Like
What
we have
are we
sugar-free
eating?
ice cream, no? Ice cream will melt. Ah,
It could overflow.
yeah.
It should overflow so that we can.
So everybody can see that it's almost to the brim, right? It's almost about to overflow. Can we please zoom in? Because you know what?
Yes, now of course we can see.
है ना?
See, we can see the top layer, which is just almost at the.
It is sucking air. So inside, whatever air was trapped, no, in air bubbles, it's actually becoming bigger and bigger. And with this foam, the creamy foam, it's increasing. है ना? Alright, so it's almost full. But I want to see something. To our eyes, we can see that it's so much ice cream.
Right.
Is it really so much? Can we really eat this much ice cream? Or when we open it, will we get this much or something else will happen? This is something which I really wonder, because if it remains like this, it'll be great. And we
You
have
can
to
ask
drink.
them, what do they think?
What do you think? When I close this, right? When I close this and send the air in, will it remain like this, or I'll be a loser again with no ice cream?
I think we'll not have much of the ice cream.
Let's see.
It
ठीक
will
है?
be.
Can we
okay.
record this?
Wait, I'll do. Yes.
And please zoom in, please. So let's see. Ready?
Yes.
And 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh, the ice cream is gone. Whoa. It'll never.
Oh. Yeah. It's just a treat to the eyes then. you can just see and be happy. Arey wow, bahut sara ice cream. Whoa, nice.
But do you think it will be same in taste? Taste बदलेगा या फिर कैसा
Never
होगा?
tried that actually.
Try करते हैं चलो.
We can try this. Yes, it's a good idea.
I'll go get the spoon.
हाँ. We'll try के कुछ टेस्ट में तो कुछ changes नहीं, मतलब स्मेल में तो कुछ changes नहीं हुए. We should
Let's
not
see.
try. Divyanshu is telling us don't
Yeah.
try. It's weird, but we are
Ankita ma'am-
science.
Yeah.
For the sake of science.
Yes, we
Ankita ma'am will try.
Okay. Okay, something happens to me. I love science.
How is it?
It's almost same.
Is it?
Yeah.
But you see a change.
See a change. I think it's
More, I think, foamy.
and of course the flavor that it has is very less now. So the flavor has reduced. I'm not able to taste the.
So I think what they say is true, na? A lot of flavors in the smell. You suck the smell.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. I'm excited to eat the ice cream.
Oreo biscuits. Okay. So see, this setup is with us. Next time, whatever you demand, you can bring. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Nice. All right.
So keyboard also tasted the ice cream today. Sorry, just let's go back. Oh, the keyboard just got stuck. Oh, now we are in a beachy place.
Yes, we'll definitely send these photos and videos and snips that we took on Telegram. Don't worry.
Yeah, I already did one.
The reason ma'am was recording is for Telegram only.
Yeah.
And you have sent.
Yeah.
So it's
The
there.
photo is there. We'll share the video.
All right. So what to do next now? What
Sir,
we can do is
chips.
huh? Before chips, no.
Okay.
Devanshu has one very nice little setup. Now this is the tricky one.
Okay.
And I would really need to ask students, what do you think will happen? If I put this setup in the vacuum chamber, what will happen? Tell me.
Oh.
Ajay, what do you also think? I mean, I can ask because this is a little tricky one.
Yeah, this is.
He will always ask all these,
I'm getting so much flack for this. When we go out of studios, what is this? You bring us to your sessions and just show all these things.
So I think the bottles will crumple. We just discussed that, right? So bottles will crumple. Yes, and maybe the water will go from here to here.
Nice.
Otherwise, why would you fit it like that?
That's logical.
That's nice logic, huh? Water will transfer to the other glass. Okay. See, before putting in, I'll tell you what exactly the setup is. Can we zoom in a little bit here? Nice.
Yeah. Little. Or we can keep it here also if you want.
Should we keep it there?
Ha.
Okay.
Thoda better.
So this bottle, it's sealed with clay. Okay. Now there is a straw from this bottle connecting to this bottle, and in this there is water also. The reason this setup becomes really important is because you know what? We asked you one very simple question. What would happen if you go in a plane in which there is no pressure stabilizer, right? So our body is not like full of air. We are not like balloons, right? We are not like balloons. We have blood inside us. Now this will tell us why nose bleeding happens. Because in your blood vessels you have water, right? And it's a closed pipe. So that's why this is like your blood vessel which is sealed. And this can be like an opening, right? It can be like an opening which will see what happens when the pressure decreases, okay?
Alright.
Athar, Telegram group link is there in the description, okay?
So yeah, we'll.
Yeah, similar setup was made by ma'am
Both of us,
in
but
heart.
Yes.
So let's see heart in a vacuum chamber.
We'll. Okay, it got stuck. This is
All right.
tight. This is tight.
Now,
Put it here.
I hope you can see both of them clearly.
So
This is tight.
yeah.
This is done. This is done.
Okay,
Yeah.
come on.
I always get scared with these physics experiments because you have to make everything tight and safe.
Okay, wait. Okay,
So let's see.
Are we recording it? Oh, shall I record video from here?
Yeah.
We can see Divyanshu from here. Okay, I think something is. Wait.
Let's see if it is rising. Then otherwise we'll have to check the seal.
Because move तो नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं हो रहा ना?
नहीं, we have to check this again.
ये ठीक है चलो just 1 second. Let's see. एक बार इसको ना. हाँ, there's nothing.
Oh, but you could see.
You can see the bubbles.
Sealing might be a problem.
We'll try.
So this is what happens in physics labs, you know. You come up with something and then it's like, oh, gadbad hai.
Wait, give it to me. I'll pass.
Atharv, the link of the Telegram group is in the description box below, and if you search on Telegram, it's 9th and 10th BYJU'S channel. So yeah, you'll be able to see that.
And I think some of them have just joined, so they're a little, they're wondering what is happening here. So I think Sir will take you through what is a vacuum chamber very quickly in the meanwhile.
So people who just joined, who are late, it's okay. The idea is it's a vacuum chamber where you can create vacuum. Where is vacuum in space, right? Means there is no atmosphere around you. There is no air pressure. So let's see if we are lucky enough, we'll get to eat the chips if it bursts. Otherwise, it'll go home. Let's see.
Can we have a zoom in
But
here?
this has a very quick reaction.
Yeah,
This is how the chips in Ooty looks like.
Yeah.
Can we have a
Look
oh?
at this.
Is it going to pop?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Oh. Let's see how strong these
Packets are.
Packets
yeah?
are.
Yeah.
There is no pressure. So Suhasi, have you ever wondered that, you know, in the chips packet, there is a lot of air? Ever noticed that?
Chips.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, wait. I hope that you saw that. But yeah, I missed it. This is how it looks now.
I liked how only that part of it popped open.
Yeah, because in the packets, that is the weakest part that you
Yeah,
make.
because I think that gets sealed last,
Yes.
Interesting.
right? So I think we can turn it off, right?
Yes.
See, got toasted. Okay.
So, why did this happen? Can someone tell me? What was there in your chips packet? Was it because of chips?
Oh, Manasvi is giving
Whoa,
some interesting
nice, Manasvi.
answers.
Very good. So inside chips packet, they fill it with nitrogen, right?
Yes.
Nitrogen because, see, if they fill air has water vapor.
Yeah.
It'll go all that, you know, soggy.
Yes.
But that's why nitrogen keeps it safe, and you know what? The packet looks good.
Yes.
It doesn't get crushed, and that's the reason they put air. It's not, you know, to cheat you or something.
It's also because nitrogen is like an inert gas, right?
Yes.
So it will not really affect the quality of food that is going to be there.
Yes.
Now that nitrogen was there, but in the vacuum chamber, this pump was sucking the air around this chips packet. So atmospheric pressure is decreasing, but inside the nitrogen which was filled, it was filled at proper sea level atmospheric pressure. That's why it now becomes more compared to the outward pressure. So that's why it keeps on becoming puffy and puffy and puffy, and then it booms, right?
Yeah.
You really want to eat it? You know what? I also want to eat it. Let's see.
We'll try with the another packet also. Or we'll have this experiment here. This is
What do you
ready,
think?
so we'll try.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. So be careful when you put this in.
Okay.
Like, you should not move like this.
All right. See, if it works,
Yeah.
We'll eat chips.
we'll eat chips.
If not, no chips.
If not, then we'll eat chips after the session.
Not in the session, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm very small to do this.
Wait. Ah.
Yeah, I'll hold this. Like I just realized when I went there, my hands don't reach.
So we'll keep it here.
All right. So let's see. Ice cream experiment. So ice cream, inside ice cream, no, you know what? How many of you remember igloo mein snow, the snow thing? How ice and snow are different? Because snow has a lot of air trapped inside. Same thing with ice cream. Ice cream also has a lot of air trapped inside. The moment you remove outside air, atmospheric pressure, those air trapped inside, no, it becomes bigger and bigger. Right? ठीक है? Chips की खुशबू चाहिए. True. Okay. Let's see. This time,
Shall I? Chal. Finger crossed, yes.
fingers crossed. 3, 2, 1.
Side, 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 side.
Wow, it's.
Whoa!
Can we zoom in?
You should see everyone. Divyanshu
You
sir is
won't-
really very happy.
You won't believe, but he's dancing over there.
They will see over here. Oh, nice.
Nice. It's a good way to transfer water.
Yes, very, very effective way.
Yes, Manas, you're right. Ice has more water, snow has more air. It's completely transferred.
But what's going to happen?
And you know
after
what?
that?
Why do you see those bubbles? Can you see those bubbles over there? Budup, budup, budup.
They are those air bubbles, right?
The air which was there inside in this bottle.
Oh. So would we actually see it squeezing now after it gets emptied out?
Yes. So now that all the air is being taken from this bottle, no, that bottle is becoming emptier and emptier and
And we
emptier.
can see the condensation, like droplets. Something. I hope so. we all are using our physics here. Whatever we have studied.
Nicely and slowly, it's just sucking it.
Yeah.
Drop by drop, but it dropped it. It's trying
Ah,
its
now-
best, yeah.
So if I reduce it more, that bottle will get crushed. But you know what? We need that bottle. So I'll just stop. Can someone guess what happens if we send air back in? Right now, air in this chamber is very low. The pressure inside this chamber is very low. Okay.
It's going to go back.
Yes, right?
So, yeah, we are open to guesses.
Wait, we have to switch off the motor first.
Yeah, I know. So come on, tell me, what will happen if we send air back in?
Congrats, eat the chips. Yes, Gungun, we will.
It will come back, reverse. A lot of them are saying reverse is going to happen because so far the reverse has happened.
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo, theek hai, let's see.
I'll turn it off.
Yeah. I'll turn it on. Zoom in, please.
Oh, yes.
Nice.
All the water.
And you can see again the air is good. The air which was taken from this bottle, it is taking it back.
So here actually there's a small thing that I'd like to add. So when it's actually going from one place to another, there's a suction force, right? So this suction force, I'm sure you remember Ankita ma'am telling you in transportation, right? When we talk about transport of water and minerals by the xylem, that
Yes.
suction pull that we keep telling you is what you guys just saw here. This is that exact suction pull with a visual.
Nice.
When I was actually looking at it, I was thinking about
Yeah,
the xylem in
xylem.
plants and I'm like, oh, water moves like this.
Transpirational pull. and
Yes.
So that day we had that forces.
Yes.
Cohesive and the
Yes.
adhesive forces.
Anna, it was
Sticking
good
to
na that you
vocabulary.
came today.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah, it feels good when all these things work. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So,
Very
you
good
learned
news.
physics, you learned bio with this.
Yes,
Right.
and chemistry also.
Yeah.
Yes, kind of chemistry also. Nitrogen thing was there in the chip.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the reason. See, your blood vessels, it has blood, right? Now, when atmospheric pressure is decreasing and decreasing when you go to heights and heights, no? Now your blood is having more pressure outside. Now, wherever it will find a soft spot, the nose, and especially from the nose,
Yeah.
it has so many those blood vessels, no? So
Capillaries.
capillaries. So because I think whenever I have seen people bleeding, no, they get they
Yeah,
do this.
They usually.
So
pull
this,
their head.
that's why nose bleeding is the first thing that we start seeing, right? So yes, this was how it works and how atmospheric pressure, keeps us alive. I would say.
Yeah.
You don't
those
realize
hormones,
this.
Yes. With so much of pressure, yeah.
So
I hope that you have enjoyed. More than that, we have few more things, right?
we have anything else, huh?
We have so much. You are carrying an amazing box. I hope you're enjoying till now, everyone.
We have some straws. These are all raw materials. If
These
you
are
want,
raw materials. We only have this one more chips pack. Otherwise, we are
yeah.
done.
So do you guys want balloons or chips packet?
Yeah,
Balloons,
last.
three of us can blow and we can put it inside.
Oh, we can have a competition.
Of who's going to blow the biggest balloon?
Yes, yeah.
Then only one balloon will fit. Okay, but yeah, cool. Let's do that.
Yes. We can have a timer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you guys ready?
What are we supposed to do?
Blow the balloon. Whoever blows the biggest balloon will
Oh,
be
the
the one.
chips are gone.
Yeah.
Whoever blows the biggest balloon.
Huh.
And what if we pop?
If it pops, then
You're
most likely mine will pop first, but
Okay.
Alright, chalo.
Okay, everyone, please start counting on a countdown of 3, 2.
oh god.
Okay. You both do. I'll just count.
Bye.
Correct, Ajay. Yes.
Okay. Chalo, then we'll three of us will. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm scared to blow bigger than this.
Yeah, I'm scared because I don't want.
Yeah, yours is the last. Okay, that's it. Out. Saurabh sir is out of this game because it's small.
Yeah, Saurav sir. Okay, thank you.
I'm scared of blowing it more because once I know it when it pops near your
Yeah.
face, what happens?
So we have these beautiful yellow balloons.
Yes. Oh yeah, yours are more or less the same, no?
Yeah.
Us?
Yay!
Guys, these are guests. I don't want to lose them, so that's why.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Now we'll keep it inside.
How?
I think this ours will burst like immediately when we keep it inside.
Still we'll try. Oh, it is not going inside. Oh yeah, it just went.
Divyanshu is giving us a look. Maybe this is way too big to put inside a vacuum chamber.
Mine
Divyanshu,
is-
this is going to be safe.
Mine is suitable.
Yeah.
It's safe, no?
Saurabh sir is there.
Yes. Saurav sir lost. Yeah, see, Himani. So we will call Hina ma'am and Divyanshu sir here also. They are the one who worked
Very hard.
very
on
hard for this.
Come,
All of
come.
us were running. So yeah, please come. They're eating chips. That's why they're not coming.
Yes, they quickly come, say
Yes,
hi.
please. Yes, please come. हाँ chips का packet लेके आओ. Kids will love to see that.
Cool fact.
Yes.
Wait till you reach to my session.
Hina ma'am and Divyanshu sir.
Hi.
Hey, say hi.
Hope you enjoyed the session.
So
We'll take it after.
we'll take it. All right, let's do it.
Is this set properly?
This one
Yeah.
needs to be open.
Yes.
Now I think you guys are so pro. You can just take it to any bio session also.
You never know, we might just do that.
Yeah.
Is this correct? Huh.
Yes.
This one
It
needs
is.
to be closed.
Done.
No, this is open now.
Oh shit.
It's on your side. हाँ. Open, close.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
The moment you turn it on, look at this.
It's already. Oh yeah, it is increasing in size from here, and of course we can see from here.
Yeah.
I think front also you can see.
Yeah. Just getting squeezed.
Yeah, it will pop in no second, right? I know. But we're just curious to see what will happen to a big balloon.
Whoa.
It will fill the whole thing.
Oh yes.
Why you give that?
I get scared at once.
Oh,
So it was so nice over here.
oh, but yes, guys. Today, these were the 3 amazing experiments we were here to do. We can do a lot more, but today, I think this is enough.
Yeah.
Right? Thank you all for your cooperation, for your patience, because yes, we know we took time. We were late 15 minutes. Some issues were there, but thankfully our great team helped us a lot and we were able to do this session, because today there came a time that we were thinking, shall we be able to do it or not? We didn't know. But yes, thank you everyone, and you know what? Go ahead, have fun, see all the science around you. Take care of you with biology and see the world around you with physics.
Yes.
Yes. And of course, guys, quick reminder that there's a link in the description box. You can use the YT free code for the mini learning programs. And if you enjoyed such classes, do let us know in the comment section so that all of us, right? We can come up with some interesting things like this.
Yes.
Yes.
And do write in the comment section below and tell us which of these 3 experiments like, it's your favorite. Definitely you can't try it at your home, but yeah, you can pick one out of these 3.
But you know what you can do? You can tell us ideas.
Yeah.
What else do you want us to do with this? Because we have it.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, check out the YT free thing. And someone was saying, sir, people are less in this session because they are doing YT free classes.
Could be, that's fine.
That's fine, it's okay.
You can always come back and watch, right?
Yeah.
That's what we always tell you.
Nice. Agrima is saying put a model of an organ of human body.
Oh no.
It feels
Scary?
no?
Yeah, it feels really very scary. We can put a model of it, but yeah, not the real
Let's
organ.
try. You guys give us suggestions on what we can put inside this, right? And we'll sort of try it out.
Yes, yes, we are standing on clouds now.
Sumit-
Cloud 9 so happy that our
Sumit,
session
that
went
too we
well.
can do without the sulfur hexachloride. He's saying inhale that and make your voice like like Darth Vader's.
Oh.
So, yes, go ahead guys, take care, enjoy.
Bye
and
bye
you know
everyone.
what? We'll see each other very soon. Tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow.
Monday.
Very soon.
Yes, very soon. Alright, thank you for joining. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone. Good night.